Let's show you how to change your settlement bank account on Paytm for Business app. Open Paytm for Business app and tap on the top left menu option. Then tap on the Settlement Settings option. Tap on Change. Select your preferred settlement account from the list and tap on Change at the bottom of the screen to switch to an already added bank account. You will receive an OTP to confirm the change. Or tap on Add New Bank Account to add a new settlement bank account. Enter your bank account number and IFSC code. Then tap on Add Bank Account. If the information matches with your KYC, you will see a Verification Successful screen. In case your name doesn't match the KYC document, you will be redirected to a screen where you can upload relevant proofs. Now tap on Confirm to receive OTP. Enter OTP and tap on Confirm button. That's it. Your settlement account is successfully changed and will be updated within 15 minutes.
Paytm karo.